How to delete hidden photos on iPhone. So go ahead and open the Photos application on your device. In this page, tap on the albums. It's on the bottom part of the screen. Now scroll down and locate the album called Hidden. Tap on the hidden album to open it. Inside this album, you will see all the photos that you have hidden. Now in here, select the photos that you want to delete. This will then be opened. Now in the additional share sheet that appears, scroll down and select delete photo. Confirm the deletion by tapping on the delete photo in the pop-up confirmation box. The photo will be deleted from the hidden album and also from your iPhone's main photo library. So just repeat the process to every photo that you want to delete, and that should do it. So that is how to delete hidden photos on iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.